Y'all, it's Sherry with Tinkerbell, where together you and I are making your home a sanctuary. And I'm coming to you from my front porch on a very windy Georgia day to talk about holiday decorating and give you an unbelievable Tinkerbell tidbit. So, y'all want to be able to hang wreaths and lights and garland and all kinds of things from your home, right? Off of your porch, off of your pillars, off of your deck, those kinds of things. But you might not want to use screws, and you might not want to use nails, and you might not want to put anything permanent in the structure of your home. Well, do you see my garland hanging above my front door? Do y'all know how that's staying there? Are you ready? Hot glue. You heard it. Let me repeat it. Hot glue, y'all. Yes, the very same hot glue that you can use for crafting, that you can use to hold things together, that you can use for all different kinds of stuff, you can use for damage-free holiday decorating. You put a dollop of hot glue where you want to hold something. Then you put what you want to hold in that dollop of hot glue, and you literally stand there and hold it until the hot glue cools. So be careful not to burn your fingers during the process. But then, once the holidays are over, you just remove gently, but you remove whatever it was that you hung with the hot glue, and you have no damage. Kind of cool, right? So there you go. There's your holiday decorating Tinkerbell tidbit. And until next time, may the Lord bless you and keep you, and may his face shine upon you. And if you do not follow me on Facebook, head on over to Facebook at Tinkerbell1122, because I'm doing all kinds of DIY crafts, tidbits, tips, tricks, all kinds of stuff for the holidays. Bye, y'all. Be blessed.